biya kamal gwa same banarwach katin kona lat karodian biatin kona lat ke kuma biya kaling tilat kuma kirma yadit ka jawo chigana kam nganin wari ano de nas de karodian wo ke kuma spela yo biya report me biya jalin ka ta dana ce to gaja na me milla da ntama ano ka biya lin ka lo da kwa telo de don ko yen gurian noro 9 TV channel ko le yen be biya wan ko lat karodian biya kalin gwasme report kana me biya mana insha Allah da kanidi ti biya lin ka gwada ko gor kono be kon information itrong be kon kaling Ramkel Mila South Sudan People Defense Force Commander Shemani Jogono Nana Jogano Yen Wajarudun Kakuma Espelayo and wouldn't Yan Magwado Mech and one Jogono Yen Wajarudun Kakuma Espelayo Duno Rama Maikun Tak Maikun Kel no Jen Wunwara Major General James Wargalwak, General Commander, Kukume, South Sudan People Defense Force, Ray Wika Nasser, Roger Kachenga Dana B. Jacob Dollar Kaja, Jacob Dollar Root, Guadish Benka Nasser, Michar Barajone, Jabunka Khanit Quarter. Would Major General James Wargalwak, Commander KSSPDF, Kanasa Town, Jan Charach Juvenile Alcon to Nasser and we shall Major General James Wargalwak on Wani Lonya Jok Wani can a community leader can Nasser and will be a Doro Kun be a Kelga Mekun Yogana be a Mekun and honor. Kanga yeje gwano lundun jok shar lele noka yenji Spelayo force chara mimma michunkel ke dakrima cha de gor Major General War che statement mishit kana me che jalat ke Saturday ka changa bakal ka pay wero gwan ratin kana diale kon la shema ne kentan kontin chuka Nasa town gwade wukan governor Jacob Dollar wukan lortin kane de shanen ana shika kan jinasa dial just ka shema ne kontin wana mo shika kan commander titina SSPDF commander cha jo ma cha jala a direct message by the way a direct message nu ka local use kana community ship wala kwarwich ano wajarudun ka Spelayo jaga message me ko barin which with their affiliation with the forces of the opposition party la Spelayo no yen chwa Spelayo chwa support chaga jogo no gone na maladun la bere which chwa chunkel ke kuma Spelayo biya kel ga mikun ka Nasser dundo chwa jalar no yen kan yen ti chunkel ke kuma Spelayo chine goro no mo Major General War charwach publicly kacha community no bani chaka challenge no ano yen gone your commitment ko bi malbe the thing be malbe bere we can answer ajana am appealing to use can ne kola kwar ano yen nagamal yenana biara we can answer biakel ga maikun dundo chwara jago yen jipa de Spelayo biala jikume alaji government biala jikume biya binyot ko eno yen ogen mal ko ramu yelok ajeno bukumba deal keje kap ko ngani wore ka bom ajara mweti che report keshebe ajana baka immediate action baka jakan ajana to gorun lonya jok biare dorukun kama ikun kel ajana come with your gun tinga ngeno kun keka yen gang yen dor kun kake adena tele kuma kirmi yadit ke kuma da maybe may kun be kake you know chuda me SSPDF officer me che ga ko la jeno nena ajena shina bi tolerate ramumo mission kel ke Dr. Machar ramule ron wo jene lo yal ka Dr. Machar shine bi chonkel ka ja more on the report alo ramkel ka SSPDF jante ne re kaji ban mo yen ben ke uraro lele no ko sapon ku ma SPLIO jante ne kare kaji biya doru kun ba da kel gaji SPLIO ko kune consider no yen SPLIO bene yen nak bene bok kamete dit bene long kana power ke lu bene channel ray doru kun we kun your villages bene nakel ko kun ci commander me chelat ajani yodo mo ke ngara bi chonkel ke kuma SPLIO bene nak no the commander stated, and this commander by the name Major General War, underscoring the serious implication for any use found in association with the opposition. Ramomat Kekume Chinebi Guakaja. The commander of South Sudan People Defense Forces, SSPDF in Nasser Town, Major General James Wargaluak, has appealed to Nuer youth and community leaders that are residing in Nasser County to return to their home with their personal weapon and ensure they are not associated with SPLAIO forces, to ensure that they don't follow Dr. Machar party SPLAIO force. Major General War made this statement on Saturday, December 6, 2025, while the commander was addressing a few hundred of residents in Nasser Town during the governor official visit to Nasser Town. We many believe that these hundreds people that show up in reception of Governor Jacob Dollar, they are their relative and their associate. Major General War made this statement on Saturday, December 6, 2025. SSPDF commander issued a direct and stringent ultimatum to local youth and community chiefs regarding their affiliation with opposition forces during a public address focusing on securing the ongoing peace process. He told the Nuer Army that if you are affiliated with the opposition, we will not tolerate. Major General War publicly challenged the community to demonstrate their commitment to stability, stating that I am appealing to Nuer youth and chiefs. If I may ask you, have you accepted peace? Please let me see your hand if you accept peace and if you mean it. Major General War publicly stated. The commander then issued a clear order for immediate action starting from tomorrow. He said that starting from tomorrow, return to your home with your gun and come with your gun that you are using to protect your cattle from wild animals, and it has nothing to do with the government. The address concluded with a firm declaration that SSPDF will not tolerate ambiguity regarding military loyalties. Anyone associated with SPLIO we will not tolerate. Major General War warned that any individual failing to comply would be considered an active hostile combatant. Major General War stated that return home and don't stay with those SPLAIO because we may consider you as part of the SPLAIO force since we are still at war with them. The commander stated that, underscoring the serious implication for any use found in associating with the opposition. Anyone who thought to support SPLIO will not tolerate. The Major General called all the Nuer youths that are residing in Nasser to report themselves with their guns. The gun that they use to protect their wild animal or their cattle, that failing to do so, the government will take action, a serious action. Major General War Ramkol Kakuma SPLI would think to contribute connect Nuer with Nasser. Shalla the judge, Kajorana Chalat. And Ramu ete a cheroda met Kakume SSPDF, Bine deal Kaja. Jokan Kwar, Kajokan Mene, and Ramotika Nasser. Gujiro no Jeramu Michigan Shika support. I can you report ba Kabayajik Bello, Jin part of SPLI, okay, and a bonnet Wenamo, a Tanishikan Bipel, Bajinakakan. So jo me chalat report mu che queen pinya George jaga message de kanete kontila Nuer kanete kontila dini ke ngwana Nuer tinte re week Nasser ke tinte rar my wood era momo mi chukuma support tika my wood tika lunga shuk ti dara shalka mo ulang Kena gwada titano. Me tea outside of Nasser, tea outside of my wood. Wajin part of the problem. Joka ngani no yena ranchiro the guru no be kuma be yan match. Nere tiga Nasser chika na gwan wonena. Akene shukan kel ke kuma kirim yadit. Akene they are supporting and wo na kanwari. Chicken deer whatever come kanwari. Kakan kaga Nuer te dakore Nuer. You know chi yulo dianang. Mishit kana me mila rode. Waje dida me mishu Nuer ka jema milat ga Nuer kan. Joka Nuer no ramu look. Ramu da associate ka kuma SPLIO, especially kang makane. Ramu ro da mat kel ka kang makane. Ramu mo bne dorin bne target bne wedian bne dak vile dian kan oken dial bne ka nak ka bne ka bokaren yale. Ajo me be ka kwar konta ka Nasser. Ajo me be ka tada na bi kana jeno de kan wade kan ka rule ka bom. Never an power ko bagan wer be ka intimidate. Ban wer cha ka intimidate. Kana de kalke ala kono chunga kirma yadit. Kana ite motla jim yamakan to gor na kun shi te mu de kan lat kan were. Gor kan miet karwa da gor kan mo. Mika na ta dear la talk ka tiga dan tiga Nuer ye chi kana realaka balagui kana no mishi few of their relatives chateka kon mujeka na bigu to feel proud second year ke majority ke population dan tere wenware chi na sarkar wade amana do dial ko ken ulanga no ngayen me da chi tuong me change me cha Nuer cha kana dor chal ka moni doma kana jangach ano chigan wer chigan yabilla lwak chigan konbul lwak ko rudian dial chala mi dan tama la roi kon ba guje no kach batiti ka token charo je dan lar ke je ko dollar chajaling gwadi che lar wona na ramno wok chonkel ga kang makane kashi mane ne ga gwang ajene bare nal baye jak ba dorun ba jo daka baye displace bi ni changala kwai ne rol Ethiopia Nameroj mi de la gan Nuer de la ram wala kwer roj mi cheneme cha de lat o tan dien kanete mo teaching mon already ring in the ken nit ken chikelu chicken chair ka tiga dan tiga na ga ke they do not even consider the future consequence ano ngum to gurun when you are removed okay me yadi the general is looking for solution we mean that you as a governor or as a commander you will not be on that position for longer. It's just a temporary position. Mishikira decided to be removed. So right now, you are threatening our community and obi akanak ramu wetechi comply ke request dun ke orderun. Medan mebu wuri chala Jacob dollar. Ngat no yene to bia bulana mo gwa dong de yen bilang community ko jan ta dan gwike but to bejo gwa no tele community mu dien ke je but only your stomach gori na kwan karwada sia der ke this majority tin ko na chuch how many year tedin wati kan karo ji kam ti chuch kan wal gwa men tam ku inga threaten no ramu te chilun jok be deal ke je yen sia calculate no for how long you will be staying there for how long read ko la yen gano ba parwe Nuer ko me jojo gwano pel Nuer ka ruwe ken kunti winni dan Nuer ka doar ko jenta dan ten dol ka Nuer ye jitie ga dien jen dol ko kono ko ci konte ga doar ten yam dan ti gu Nuer no Nuer we ke je ka ga Nuer panken ko cha mo ko kon mo todo nene cha mo ke to kel ku ken letir ngene gu jeno they know nothing jen bay ju moya kono no wona domor jatene no mo dumala cherian bako dubu ko ndena on nyamgo jabadera gwa take la real je katet your position and chakami bianga no cheje lo araba kama je ka jen population kule threaten population kule changa la mjega mguji meno jega ke chika jega mutala Nuer Nuer community stela gwa mu dai yanoten. That is why nani na kaju banara ala agora banwer bega betray ko ba kombe kulujek kon population Nuer na me gwa ga tetno a resourceful man a resource ke jene ladi alat ka karan ka power mutalaka tele madegwa ajen minan kon antemo kon Nuer dial joga nano biare which code gorkan population ba nyin ken ba ko lolat buga naw slave buga naw ceng jek buga am dara lo yal ka bi kana no jan tala lat ke arame jek la gore to be use mi che je over use yo be your tongue mi jala lat ke kirmi yadi bo kana diala ti nen yanga ti ke slave ka kirmi yadi ka jankir lede ke yo ka na ka she mor me la wala argno enang mor ba man ka jalat ka mone kirmi yadi kan warti. Do they feel proud? Do they sleep? Can this politician? La chera na note minen ko minera la ja gwe long raje lo just jagwe. Elo chicken deer, braro the trapping. You don't know community, a community we didn't community Nuer. So when you want to address the Nuer community, you need to address it with respect. Cause ngeje no nyinkun to television to cha paru Nuer community. Ano balaro yen Nuer cha ku sho kuma espela yo charge support ibawo support na kuma jane na mace mutuwa da ramuci gad kuna jamanu kuna kula chong kuna chong kele di yenja jigro no tika lot gan weren kono yeken te nyen ba shi ada charga kwidian na biya gor met me be la mandido but wrong na mo gorin charma gwala to gorin biya nyoko mu guyen ta da den wada woni am kaje Nuer ka ne bombuam bare Nuer ka wada jen kwala chole unity problem na la no kan gwanter long gerken gwaga dana liu Nuer tina ke jola bin Nuer yam che jojo gwano ken ga damana ken bikana shuet ke shuene makan yanen bikana riet pinyalo bararo de twene piny yude jet damana no bume chere me ku je ko dollar ko rach eno yene de kon atela chieng gware kang makan na mau ina nyor ba dorun ba nak be na mana gat kun ko kun kel be displace be chieng la kwany den cha nyoko jen commander me mling kono mentem eno yen ramu chieng kel ke kang makan ba je dil mo kerek ku me kirmi yadit ku kana no na mo kun kaka biya ga Nuer biya ke intimidate biya chieng jek biya jogo no twar rodun gang chana jenen be jokan ga Nuer biya re wike me kun yen gan wer ngin madana Libya lugo lero do modoro mo mshal ke juba mo si lugo tot lugo dit when she dwor che twok mishi gujeno jin ajira mi mo mi dongu markel ke kum first think komu we twok gane me jin point you are not safe okay ilor baji mu kare kan so jalla la lel ke no mo gwan jeng la ja pele be jipel be pele me je gwar ya tok be yot nyen ta da lat ke kumen kum kirm yadire kan god ne yinga ti to right ti no loken ne ko lan wer these are the people that cha pay kan jen kirm yadit ya mu ke thousands of dollars ano ka ba kan makana kan ne ga dial enan men mutu kan nasir ne ka cha jigin tama ba ji del ka arun bi she mor bu wiya ka jino shi we chirodu selemu ano te ga mal magore there's no such thing as mal right now so na me der we kaya ajin joran chala de jen kwere me commander me eno gwan were ya kana ser nanga me ya me kun kel ke chi manu kun kel te chu kum ye binyot dino wo jerun ko kuma spelai wo jen direct message dana chitub